on YouTube? It's your boy, Most Credible, back with another video today. Yo, your boy is not getting off work, right? And let me tell you, it's been a long day. Cause, oh my God, y'all can see that shit, can't you? Man, let me tell y'all, I went to the dentist today. Your boy not feeling too good. I went to the dentist, got out the dentist, and went to work. Your boy not feeling too good, but your boy got a job to be doing. You know what I'm saying? You got to pay the bills. You got to pay the cost to be the boss. But anyways, I got something that came in. But I'm not gonna do it. I got one of my homeboys that gonna do it down here in down South Georgia. I got one of my homeboys that gonna do it for me. And when y'all see it, y'all gonna be like, what the hell? Everybody did it before. This is my first time doing it. So that's why I'm doing a video on it. I'm not gonna do it. Normally I would do my DIYs myself, but I'm not gonna do this one. I'm gonna let my homeboy do it because he's a professional at it. Me, I'm not that good at it. So y'all stay tuned. Ride with your boy. Let's go. Getting this headliner taken out. Get these Starlights up in there. Yes, get them up in there. Go ahead and shout it out, Eco Demon.
Oh yeah, Eco Demon J on YouTube, Instagram. Y'all go follow Jay's Garage. Is open.
Yeah, let's get it. Y'all follow the homie. He got a Mustang, but we ain't care about that. The car community, we don't even care about that. It's about the car community. Shoot. Y'all see this black liner now?
Let's wait till the after.
I'm trying to tell you. I can't wait. He doing something I wouldn't even do. Damn, I can't wait. Okay, he got it halfway down.
You said Saturday afternoon.
This thing look difficult. Look at them airbags. All the little clips you got to be taking out. Look at all this. Just about done. I should have moved this a little far over. See, I keep y'all. Look at my roof. Look at my roof. This should have had a sunroof right there. That's what I need, a sunroof. I lose too much money value on this car if I get a sunroof put in. Oh well. Oh, let me move my finger away from the camera. But yo, as y'all can see, that is out. Everything is out. The whole liner is out. So I'm good to go. He said that he would have it ready for me tomorrow by the time I get off work. Just shoot him a text message and it'll be done. So, yo, I'm about to have something. I don't know what I'm about to get. I know it's gonna be something. I know it's gonna be something good. Cause you know your boy Incredible always come through with the goodness. You know what I'm saying? With the good. With the Alright, I run out. But still yet. So this video will be continued until tomorrow. Out. What's going on, YouTube? So the second day. I'm back. Still with no headliner, as you can see. Let me take a quick pic of this. So as you can see, I'm back with no headliner. So we gonna see what it do. I know we're gonna get it done. So you already knew what it was. I'm not about to cut my car. I had to get these Starlights up in here. Y'all see this? Look at this. Jeez. I can't wait to see how they look after they get done. I'm at the back of my own car now. Cause all this gotta be cut down. Yes, sir. I can't wait to get it in there. Okay, about done with it. Dude, move fast, man, cause I've been like procrastinating everything. That's everything in. Like I said, oh boy, it's fast, yo. I'm giving him you have to come through if you know down South Georgia. You got to come through and see my homeboy Eco Demon. Yo, dude, fast with it, yo. Took it to him yesterday. I got it today. I got it back already. So I gotta come through. So now you gotta do is start cutting all this. Oh, this is my first time in the backseat of my own car. Yeah. I ain't gonna know how to act now. Oh, yeah. Y'all ready to see this? Y'all ready to see this? Got it. You know I'm gonna keep it on that purple though. I don't wanna see nothing else besides purple. Or white. Oh, yeah, but mainly white. Purple.
That white at night, nice.
Yeah. I can't wait to see what it look like tonight. Cause you know I'm gonna come back out and see what it look like.
Oh yeah.
Dude, let's go. What's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? I know I had the mask on because I went to the dentist yesterday, and what they gave me is not agreeing with my mouth, so my gums are like swollen right here. I don't want y'all to see it because it look real nasty, so that's why I got my mask on to cover it. I have my mask on all day at work. I don't know if I'm going to work tomorrow because it hurts really bad. So not only that, I can barely talk. Y'all can barely understand what I'm saying. So you know what? Since we family, I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm talking about. As you can see right here, it's swollen right here. But I had the Starlights in. I've got to do the recording of it, of me driving while it's on, when I'm driving and everything. I've got to do the recording of it. So now since I'm home, these are it. Like, yo, I'm in love with it. I got the app, so I got to play with the app a little more, and this is it, yo. I got the red if I really want it, orange, yellow, orange. I don't know what color that is. Oh, like a teal green, like a teal blue, or a teal green. It's another one. That's another one. Green if I really want it. Blue, pink. My favorite, purple. Another purple. White. So mainly the only two colors I'm riding in is white and purple. Those are the only two colors I'll probably be riding around with. But I'm gonna come back out later tonight when it's pitch black. Better yet, closing the garage as y'all can see. You know the garage get dark at night. All right, well the light is on in the garage, but this is how it looked I'll turn this off. So this is what it look like at nighttime. Like, yo, this shit is dope, yo. So I shout out to my homeboy, Eco Demon, who's down here in Georgia. Sorry, y'all, but this thing is bothering me, yo, for real. And oh my God, this thing is bothering me. But anyway, this is the end of the video. Man, I hope I get better by the weekend. Oh my God, I can't deal with this. But this is the end of the video. I ain't know why I put the mask back on. But this is the end of the video. Y'all do 4 things for me. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Yo, just do me a favor. And I'm out.